How to change your profile picture on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Keeping your Binance profile picture up to date helps personalize your account and makes it easier to recognize your profile. So in that case, to change your profile picture on Binance, open the Binance application on your smartphone or your tablets or even your desktops and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal menu button. Now this will take you to this page where you need to go ahead and tap on your current profile picture at the top left. On the next page, on your current profile avatar, just tap on the pencil button underneath it. And then on the next page, you can go ahead and click on the camera button at the top. Remember, avatars can only be modified one time per 7 days. So if you go ahead and change your avatar right now, you won't be able to do so for the next 7 days. To change your avatar, click the camera button at the top and choose a picture you'd like to use for your profile avatar from the camera roll. After you make your selection, click Done at the bottom right. Now wait for a few seconds and your picture will be previewed. Go ahead and adjust it within the frame and click Confirm at the top right. Now your profile avatar or your picture will be uploaded in just a few minutes. Once it's done, click Save, click Continue, and you have successfully updated your profile picture. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.